Right, would you like to know how to make money in OLSP Academy within the first 30 minutes of joining? Would you like free training, free coaching from me, the top affiliate inside of OLSP Academy? Now, I've been a member of OLSP Academy for a couple of years, and it's just got better and better. I've actually met the creator of OLSP Academy a couple of times, Wayne Crowe. This is me and Wayne. We met up. He's such a great guy. He's so passionate about his OLSP members, and his main goal is for his OLSP Academy members to all make money, every single person, and he just bends over backwards to make that possible. So if you want free coaching from me, the top affiliate in OLSP, and you want to know how to get making money within the first 30 minutes of joining OLSP Academy, hit the link, join my team, and I will reach out to you. Fill in your details so I can contact you on Facebook. I will reach out to you and make sure you're set up correctly, and you will start making commissions very quickly. It's a fantastic system. Stick to it. There's a ton of help inside of OLSP. They have weekly lives where you can ask questions. They have weekly trainings. Well, they have several trainings a week on different aspects of driving traffic, setting up landing pages, email, all sorts. There's no hard sells. You don't find any of this push button, make $1,000 in a second type crap. It's just genuine people trying to help you, and you will make money inside of OLSP. Do not get distracted by other shiny objects. Stick to it and start making a regular income, because this program is one. I've been doing this over 20 years, and this is one of the best programs I've ever seen. Okay, so get signed up, click the link below, join my team, and I'll reach out to you. You can reach out to me. I'm very contactable. And let's get making you some money. All right.